Here are 6 tips to sell your home fast and for more money. 1. Price the house correctly from the start. Competitive pricing is the way to go in this current seller's market, and overpricing your home, no matter how good the market or how bad the market, always results in you ending up with a lower price and it taking much longer to sell. Recently, I helped a client price their home. They took my advice and we were able to get multiple offers and the home sold for well over the ask price. Everyone was happy. 2. Staging the home. Getting your home cleaned and decluttered is so important. This is one of the single most things that helps you get the most value for your home. For every box of clutter you remove, you're adding value back to that home. Recently, I've had clients who had their home professionally cleaned and staged, and again, much success was had in terms of offers and price for their home. Number 3, curb appeal. First impressions do matter. So when the clients first drive up to your home, it's important that your lawn is mowed, that landscaping is done, the yard is cleared of debris, and there's something nice at the front of the home or at the front door, such as flowers or a wreath or something along those lines. 4, professional photos and virtual tours. We live in a virtual world now and everything is selling online. So the first thing people are seeing is the video or the photos from your home. This is where I excel and provide this service to all of my clients. If you're interested, give me a call. Number 5, highlighting the key features of your home. A lot of people have fireplaces, and this is something that is so important this time of year. We can highlight how cozy and warm the house is. If that fireplace is running when the clients come in to view the home, it just creates a whole beautiful, warm ambiance. Some other things would be like hot tubs or pools, so if those are nice and clean and running, when people arrive, it makes people want to buy your home. Number 6, be flexible with showing times. The more times available for buyers to look at your home, the more buyers we can bring into the home, thus increasing your chances of a great offer, multiple offers, and a great price. If showing times are seriously limited, it makes it hard for people with different schedules to see your home, and it could affect the overall outcome and the price at the end of the day. Call me now for more tips and a free in-home evaluation. Thanks, and as always, keep being awesome.